Hello, and welcome to demos for Day 1 of Digital Dance Weekend 4. We start things off with Fred Whitehouse of Ireland leading a warm-up and stretch. Be sure to set your alarms because that session begins at 8:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Elsewhere in the British Isles, Michelle Risley of the United Kingdom brings us her high improver dance at 9 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Strangers in the Basement.
Sometimes I forget who we were back then. The Saturday night, screaming cold beer and cigarettes. At a house we didn't know, when our village closed. Looking at this photo, oh I remember someone saying a smile. Who would have could still be smiling now? Here comes the long western, we strangers in the basement. At a party we hated, trying to make conversation. But the night it was taken, I didn't have a clue that someday I'd be something more than just a boy in a corner with you.
Thank you, Michelle. That big bright smile will keep our dancers powered up for a whole weekend of dance. Returning to Fred Whitehouse in Ireland, we have an intermediate advanced teach at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Catch My Breath.
Taking a step back, I'm looking at too many hats. I think it's time for an intervention. When I want to shake, stop, get. When I want to turn left, I think it's time for a new direction. 6 feet tall, feeling small. I keep climbing, the ladder gets higher. Burning up, can't stay calm. I can't take another iron in the fire. I can't catch my breath. Been on so long, I got nothing left. I can't catch my breath. Jumping so high, I'm losing myself.
Thank you, Fred, for getting the intermediate ball rolling on this first day of the event. Up next, from the Netherlands and Ireland, we have Roy Hadisabroto and Fiona Murray with their intermediate teach at 12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Remember We Got Love, co-choreographed with Claire Bell.
You can run away from it all, but like a boomerang, it'll all come back. You can hang on until you fall, but even when you land, you'll be on your back. Like mannequins, all drapes and designers, have we forgotten where we come from? With bottled hopes and dreams and desires, must have forgotten that we got bills to pay, we got rules to break, we got risks to take, we got things to say. No one ever said it would be okay, but we'll find a way when there's love, and we got love. Yeah, it's okay 'cause we got love. Yeah, it's okay 'cause we got.
Thank you, Roy, Fiona, and Claire Bell for that toe-tapping dance. Remember, we got love. Up next, we have a break at 1:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for social dancing and lunch/dinner, depending on your time zone, with the instructors. Resuming our lessons at 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, we have Roy Verdonk of the Netherlands teaching a co-choreographed dance by Christopher Gonzalez, Nadia van den Eden, and himself, the intermediate Colors.
I woke up to the morning sky first. Baby blue, just like we rehearsed. When I get up off this ground, I should leave back down to the brown, 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 till I'm clean.
Thank you, Roy. Our next dance on the schedule, at 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, is another collaboration. This time between Joe Thompson-Zamansky of the United States of America and Irene Zant, an easy intermediate dance titled No Secrets.
Now that I know you better, yeah, there are a couple of things I want to say. We've been knowing each other, yeah, long enough, let me get this straight. I wanna know everything about you, wanna know what you dream at night, wanna know who you think about when, baby girl, I hold you tight, wanna know what your guilty pleasure won't feel when we fight, 'cause I might feel the same, right? Tell me all your secrets, and I'll tell you mine, 'cause I hardly feel it. When I cross the line, you're driving me crazy, but that's just fine. Tell me all your secrets, your dirty secrets, and I'll tell you mine.
Thank you, Joe, for that dance, No Secrets. Our final teach of the day comes to us all the way from Australia at 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 7:30 a.m. Sydney time. This classic phrased advanced dance, co-choreographed by Simon Ward and Madison Glover, will be taught by Madison Glover herself, and it's titled Americano.
He's driving a Jeep, but he ain't in the army. Gets all his cigarette money from his mommy. Dressed like a root-tootin' Texas cowboy. There's no rangers, never seen a horse. You wanna be Americano, Americano, Americano. He wants to drive a Cadillac. He's chasing showgirls, smoking camels, whiskey and soda. Now he's never going back. He's cruising streets with gold, dressed in designer clothes.
Thank you, Madison. I feel like I need a breather just watching that one, but I'm sure I'll be rested and ready by the time we start things off with Fred in under 24 hours. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you in the morning.